Hey there! The business card scanner is a super cool feature on the Nutshell mobile app. Just log in using the same credentials that you use on the web. Once you're in that mobile app, and here we're on an iPhone, click the plus sign at the bottom of the screen and choose Business Card Scanner. You'll want to make sure that your card is laid flat in a well-lit area with a neutral background. Make sure that the card fills the screen and then snap your photo. Choose to accept or start over. Take a photo of the back of the business card, and then Nutshell will create a new person for you with the details from that card. No need to keep your app open. We'll send you a notification once we create that new person, and this can take about 5 to 10 minutes. And that's it. Super easy way to create new contacts in Nutshell directly from your business cards so that you're not hauling those things around. Thanks for watching, and happy nutshelling.